Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are fine and you are safe and you are healthy, eating healthy food at your home. Okay, as well as you are learning new things at your home and doing the homework also. Okay, so this is the worksheet for class 4 children. Yes, this is the class 4 children. So please open the page number 1. Okay, this is the first worksheet we are going to do. Okay, children, first page number 1. Okay, first read and answer. This is worksheet 1. Okay, read the passage. Okay, we have to read the passage, then we have to give the answers. Okay, read the passage. The elephant with its long trunk and sharp tusks is a fascinating animal. Okay, which animal they are talking about, children? They are talking about elephant. Okay, and it has a long trunk and very sharp tusks. The tusks are the teeth which you can see, yes, in front of the trunk. Yes, that one. It's a fascinating animal. Yes, it is the largest. Fascinating means it looks different, right? It is the largest animal, right? And it has trunk, but no other animals has trunk, right? Tusks. It is the largest land animal in the world. So elephant is the largest land animal in the world. Okay, it is the largest animal. Basically, which is the largest animal? That is a blue whale, and that found in the water. But on the land, which is the largest animal, children? Elephant. Okay. And is very intelligent and very sensitive. It is very intelligent and very sensitive. Elephants are vegetarian and eat grass, wild fruit, leaves and bamboo. So here, what are the elephants eat? They eat all the vegetarian. They are herbivores, right? As we have learned in the science that they are herbivores and they can eat grass, wild fruit, leaves and bamboo. Okay, children. Elephants are found mainly in India and parts of Africa. Indian and African elephants are quite different. So, where the elephants found in India, it is a different. Actually, they are found in India in major parts. Okay, whether they are southern, northern, eastern, or southern, northern. So they can found in mainly in India and Africa. So even Africa is a continent. Yes, Africa is not a country; it's a continent. But India is a country which presents in Asia. Okay, so Indian African elephants are quite different. They are quite different. A little bit difference is there. Okay, the African elephant is larger and has bigger ears and tusks. So, what is the difference between the Indian and African elephant, children? Yes, the African elephant has larger and bigger ears and even the tusks also. Okay, the two are often considered to be different species. Okay, even the African and Indian elephants are considered as different species. They are not considered in the different animals. They are considering as a different species. Okay, next, an African elephant has extra protruding muscles at the tip of its trunk. Okay, at the tip of the trunk, where is the trunk is there, that tip of trunk, so many muscles are present, and they help. Let us see. They help it to grab things and are known as elephant fingers. So where the tip of the trunk is present, there are so many muscles present on it, and it helps to grab the things like grass and other clothes also. They can grab the things, and it has it is called as elephant fingers. Like our fingers, how it's working? Yes, even for them also it is working. Okay, an Indian elephant has only one finger and it holds things by scooping them with the trunk. Yes, so this is for the African elephant. What about the Indian elephant? An Indian elephant has only one finger and it holds things by scooping with the trunk. It has only there are muscles are less and it can use as only one finger. Okay, so it is for what is the use for that? It can scoop. Do you know scooping, children? Scooping, that you take the ice cream from that scoop, right? Yeah, yes, it is same like that. Okay, like it can hold very little things, okay, but African elephant, it can grab the things, okay. Next, the elephant's trunk is very useful and unique. The trunk has several thousand muscles while our entire human body has only 600 muscles. So the elephant of the trunk of the elephant is very useful and unique, okay. And this trunk has several thousand muscles. But our human body have how many muscles, children? It's about 600 to 650 muscles, okay. Next, the elephant can use its trunk to pluck a tender flower or to haul a heavy log, okay. So the elephant can use it can use to pluck the flower also, okay, and haul a heavy log. So many times you can see that the elephants are carrying a big heavy logs by using its trunk. So these are the uses of trunks. And what are the uses of trunk? Let us see, okay. It is used to smell, bathe, eat, drink, and even to threaten enemies, okay. So this one it can smell, it can bathe. Yes, sometimes you see that the trunk is full of water and it is throwing it on itself, right. Eat, drink, and even to threaten enemies. Like with their trunk, they can fear that the enemy is so they can threaten the enemy. So to even to escape also enemies, they can use its trunk, okay. Next, in fact, it is almost impossible for an elephant to survive if its trunk is damaged, of course. Yes. So it is very impossible for the elephant to survive if its trunk is damaged. Suppose sometimes by using the heavy logs or where it is going, sometimes it can be hurt. Yes, it can be damaged. Okay. So that time it will be harmful for them, okay. And so many things they can't do if the trunk is how our fingers are working. If we got any hurt or wound on our fingers, we are unable to do it. It will painful for us. For them also it is the same. Of course, they also use their tusk for fighting and digging. However, the trunk has more uses. Yes, of course they are using its tusks also for digging and fighting. But trunk has more uses. Okay, children? Yes, now see the worksheet. Write true and false. The elephant is the largest animal in the world. Yes, obviously it is true. Okay. Next. The Indian elephant has one finger on its trunk. The Indian elephant has only one finger on its trunk? Yeah, exactly. That is true. Okay. Next. The elephant's trunk has about 600 muscles. No, it has more than thousands muscles. Okay, several muscles are there. So who has 600 muscles? 600 to 650? That is human body. So this is false. Okay, children. Next. The elephant can use its trunk to threaten enemies? Yes, exactly. So that is true. Okay. The Indian elephant has larger ears than the African elephant. Who has larger ears? If you can see from this one, the African elephant is large and has bigger ears and tusks. So here they have written the Indian elephant has larger ears than the elephant. No, that is wrong. So I kept here false. Okay. Fill in the blanks with the correct answers. Elephants follow a vegetarian diet. Simple diet, wild diet, or vegetarian. Yes, they have follow the vegetarian diet. An African elephant has bigger dash and dash than an Indian elephant. What are they? Ear, tusk, eyes or trunk, or fingers or tusks? Yes, they are ears and tusks. You can write here ears and tusks. Okay. Please write in a neat handwriting, children. It should be looking very good when you are giving the pics in the WhatsApp group. It should look very good. Okay. So that you can write. You are at home and you can practice the handwriting also, right? Yes. The last one. Let us see. The Indian elephant has only one dash on its trunk. What is that? Finger, tusk, or ear. What are those? That is finger. You can write here finger. Okay, children. So please write your name here. Write the class. You know in which class you are? Yes, you are 4th class. And please write the date. Okay, and this completes our worksheet 1. Okay, so the homework is for you to learn this. Okay, learn everything here and okay, complete this worksheet. Okay, children. Thank you, children. Bye bye.